Make a great choice today with the 2018 X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.